Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki KX450 MX race bike. This bike has never been ridden. It was purchased. The owner had some health issues, couldn't ride. It's brand new. The only thing it's got is some numbers on it. So basically, come and get your used, brand new 2019 KX450. Save about $4,000 off a new, just $69.90. We have financing. We have extended warranty. Come on by, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Electric start. Fuel injection, perfect condition. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports. Thing is a beast.